Hello and welcome to our Unity Prayer Service for August 2025. I invite you to take a few moments to relax into your chair, to perhaps take a few deeper breaths as we breathe and let go into this quiet time that we share through Silent Unity's monthly prayer service sheet. As we hold the stillness together, let us know in the stillness and the silence that we remember all those whom we hold in prayer, including all names that have been shared with our Silent Unity Prayer Ministry and our greater world community. So let's get still together as we move into prayer. Charles Fillmore wrote, "The central proposition in the inspiration of spirit is that God, or primal cause, is good." Knowing God as good, let us move into our own experience of peace, affirming, "Peace begins with my breath." Each inhale reminds me, I am held. Each exhale releases what I no longer need. In this sacred rhythm, I discover the stillness beneath the noise. In this moment, peace is moving through me. When worry tries to take the lead, I return to the breath, and I let peace be louder than all the noise. As we continue in prayer, we affirm, in all circumstances, I heal knowing I am whole. No condition defines me. No diagnosis limits me. Beneath all appearances, I am made of divine life itself, vital, radiant, unbreakable, unshakable. I bless every part of me that feels tender or tired. At this moment, I remember that healing isn't a destination. It's a revelation of what's always been true. I am already whole. I just came here to live like it. It's a revelation of what's always been true. I am already whole. I just came here to live like it. Love is my way forward. I walk in the harmony of divine love, not to escape the hard parts, but to transform them. This love knows how to mend, to hold, to uplift. It speaks when words fail. It softens what's been rigid. It frees what's been stuck. With a heart wide open, I send love ahead of me into every conversation, every relationship, every moment. I let love do what only love can do. I give with joy. I receive with ease. Abundance is not earned. It flows. It moves through me as generosity and fulfillment, a dance of giving and receiving rooted in trust. God is the limitless source within me, fueling every gift I offer and every blessing I welcome. What I circulate returns in divine timing, proving again and again that I live in the flow of more than enough. As we prepare to bring this time to a close, let us prayerfully commit to take with us into our day that energy of peace, of wholeness, of love and abundance, holding that knowing for ourselves, our loved ones, and our world. In this light, we now pray together Unity's prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Amen. Bless you, and thank you for being part of our prayer service today.